Asawanea. You listen. Asawanea. Keiana awa tenea. Tono iana tawa. Tono uanea kawa. Tene iana sawa. Tene iana sawa. Anoto akea. You can remember. Breathe. You've got this. You can do this. Your team of light is around you. I'm right here. Take my hand. Take my hand. Yes. Listen. Aktane iana oakea. Aktane iana oakea. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Just breathe. You are loved. Just allow. If your emotions are coming through, just allow. You are loved. You need this space. You aligned it, you designed it, you found your way to it. Just allow. You are eternal light. You are not separate. You are whole and one. It is an illusion of the mind to be separate, to be divided, to be different. You are unique, but you are unique within the one. Taneana takawa oa kea. Taneana takawa oa kea. Taneana takawa oa kea. Oa kea. Oa kea. Just allow. Just breathe. Just allow the space. You are remembering you. Breathe. Allow. You are beautiful. You are love. You are eternal light. Remembering who you are. Yarata saneana o. Sanan Oakea. Remember. Yes. Yes. You're beautiful. I love you. Be well. Be whole. Be you.